Okay guys, so this is the Dinah or Dinah, I think it's Dinah, pattern from fatquartershop. This is from the Sew Sampler box for June. And we are on, I am doing this step right here. And I've got my pieces laid out, which is, these are both P pieces. All three of these are C pieces, and you just spread them between. And then those are both pieces. So I've got them laid out, and I'm just going to pick them up and put them together. So now we have these blocks and our end blocks. We're going to be attaching a strip along half of them. Half of these we can set aside, and the other half we are going to attach a strip to. And you may want to plan this out, because what we're going to be creating is this X shape right here. And obviously you probably want to have it look pretty scrappy, but I'm going to wing it. You also want to consider the fact that you only need it on half of the piece there. So you're not going to do it to both of the squares. You're going to just do it to half, which is why we're going to be doing that. All right, let's get started. Okay, so we are going to attach these blocks that we've just completed. We're going to turn them and have them on either side and attach them to the end blocks. And we're going to attach our N, C, and N blocks to make a line going across here. And then this is just a repeat of this turned upside down. So we will sew all of these together next. have these rows sewn together, so now I'm going to sew them together to create my finished block. Okay guys, that's the first block done for our Dinah quilt. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!